In a world where technology and innovation drive progress, one industry stands out as a beacon of relentless advancement: the car industry. The car industry is more than just a sector that churns out shiny new models every year. It's an ecosystem of technological evolution, a testament to human ingenuity, and a significant contributor to the global economy. This industry, which spans the globe and affects nearly every facet of our lives, is an intricate web of competition and cooperation, of challenge and triumph. The car industry is a vast arena where manufacturers vie for dominance. Each brand, each model represents a myriad of stories of design, of engineering, of marketing, and of customer experience. These companies are not just selling cars, they're selling visions of the future, interpretations of luxury, comfort, and efficiency, and for some, a symbol of prestige and status. From the early days of Ford and its assembly lines, through the rise of Japanese manufacturers like Toyota and Honda, to the recent surge of electric vehicle producers such as Tesla, the car industry has been a dynamic and evolving landscape. These key players, among others, have shaped the industry, driving innovation and setting new standards, while also responding to the changing needs and desires of consumers worldwide. Each manufacturer brings something unique to the table, contributing to the industry's diversity. Their impact on the market is significant, with each new release or technological breakthrough setting the stage for the next round of competition. The stakes are high, as each decision, each model, can make or break a company's reputation and market standing. But it's not just about the cars, it's about the people behind them. The designers, engineers, marketers, and executives who work tirelessly to bring these machines of beauty and function to life. Their passion, creativity, and dedication are the real engines that drive the car industry forward. With such a diverse range of manufacturers, one question often arises: who leads the pack in value and why? But to understand that, we must delve deeper into the world of car manufacturing, exploring the titans of the industry, the factors behind their success, and what the future holds for this dynamic sector. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey into the world of cars. When it comes to value, a few names rise above the rest. In the arena of car manufacturing, several titans command the spotlight, each wielding a distinct business model and unique selling points that set them apart from the crowd. Let's delve into who these giants are and what makes them so distinctive. First up, we have Toyota. Hailing from Japan, Toyota's market value is a testament to its commitment to quality and innovation. The secret to Toyota's success? A lean production system that minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency. This, coupled with its reputation for reliability, has cemented Toyota's place as a dominant force in the car industry. Next, we have the German powerhouse, Volkswagen Group. With a diverse portfolio that includes Audi, Porsche, and of course Volkswagen, this automotive behemoth's market value is a reflection of its global reach and diverse offering. What sets Volkswagen apart is its commitment to both luxury and affordability, appealing to a broad spectrum of consumers. Now, let's turn our attention to the United States with the electric vehicle revolution leader Tesla. Tesla's market value has skyrocketed, thanks to its pioneering role in the electric vehicle market and its visionary CEO, Elon Musk. Tesla's unique selling point? Its commitment to sustainable energy, trailblazing technology, and cutting-edge design. Lastly, we have the American stalwart, General Motors. With a legacy stretching back over 100 years, General Motors' market value is underpinned by its wide range of brands and vehicles. From Chevrolet to Cadillac, General Motors offers something for everyone, making it a versatile player in the industry. These manufacturers, each in their own unique way, have managed to command immense value. But what does the future hold for them? As we move forward, these companies will continue to innovate and adapt in a rapidly evolving industry. But one thing's for certain, the road ahead promises to be an exciting one. Success in the car industry is not a product of chance. It's a delicate balance of factors that these manufacturers have managed to master. Let's delve into these factors and understand what sets these car manufacturing titans apart. First, innovation is the lifeblood of any industry, and the car industry is no exception. The highest valued car manufacturers continually push the envelope, redefining what vehicles can do. They are not just content with creating a car that moves from point A to point B. They strive to create vehicles that are safer, more efficient, and more comfortable. They invest heavily in research and development, always looking to the future, always aiming to set the next big trend in the automotive world. Brand reputation is the next key factor. These manufacturers have built their brands over decades, even centuries. They've become synonymous with quality, performance, and reliability. They've been through the highs and lows of the market, weathered economic downturns, and come out stronger. They've proven time and time again that they can deliver on their promises, and this builds trust with consumers. Customer loyalty is closely tied to brand reputation. Once a customer finds a brand they trust, they tend to stick with it. They become repeat customers, buying their second, third, or even fourth car from the same manufacturer. This loyalty is hard-earned and even harder to maintain, but it's a significant factor in these manufacturers' success. Strategic partnerships also play a crucial role. By partnering with the right companies, these manufacturers can expand their capabilities, reach new markets, and gain access to new technologies. These partnerships often result in innovative products that push the industry forward. Lastly, global reach is essential. The highest valued car manufacturers are not just local or regional players. They are global powerhouses, selling their vehicles in markets all around the world. This global presence allows them to spread their risks and tap into the growth potential of emerging markets. By understanding these factors, we can begin to predict the future of the car industry. In an industry that never sleeps, predicting the future can be a daring venture. Yet as we look ahead, several key trends begin to cast light on the road that lies before us. Firstly, technology continues to fuel innovation in the car industry. We're not just talking about fancier touchscreens or more efficient engines, but the rise of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving machines are no longer a sci-fi dream, but a reality that's becoming increasingly tangible. With companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Uber investing billions into this technology, it's clear that the future of the car industry is on the verge of a revolution. But technology isn't the only driving force. Consumer behavior plays a massive role too. As people become more conscious of their carbon footprint, the demand for electric and hybrid vehicles is skyrocketing. This shift towards greener alternatives is not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental change in the way we think about transportation, and car manufacturers are racing to meet this demand. Then we have to consider the environmental concerns. With governments around the world setting ambitious targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the pressure is on for the car industry to adapt. Expect to see more focus on sustainable manufacturing processes, recycling initiatives, and of course, the continued push for electric vehicles. Finally, let's not forget about potential disruptions. The car industry is no stranger to unexpected events, whether it's a global pandemic, an economic recession, or a breakthrough innovation. These disruptions can flip the industry on its head overnight, making it more important than ever for car manufacturers to stay agile and adaptable. While the future is never certain, one thing remains clear: the car industry is poised for exciting times ahead. As we gear up for the future, the race in the car industry is far from over. The open road ahead is filled with both challenges and opportunities, twists and turns that test the mettle of these automotive giants. First on the horizon, we see the challenge of sustainability. As the world grapples with climate change, car manufacturers are under pressure to reduce their environmental footprint. This means a shift towards electric vehicles and renewable energy sources, a journey that is as exciting as it is daunting. But it's not just about going green. The industry is also gearing up for the technological revolution. Autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and connected car technology are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are the reality that car manufacturers must navigate if they are to stay in the race. Yet, with every challenge comes an opportunity. The push for sustainability opens up a whole new market for electric vehicles and hybrid models. The technological revolution brings with it the chance to redefine what a car can be and do. And let's not forget the potential of emerging markets, where a growing middle class is just discovering the freedom and status that car ownership can bring. To navigate this road ahead, car manufacturers must be innovative, agile, and above all, resilient. They must be willing to take risks, to experiment, to fail, and to learn from those failures. They must be ready to reinvent themselves again and again in response to the ever-changing demands of the market. And as for us, the spectators of this thrilling race, our role is to stay informed and engaged with the industry's developments, to question, to challenge, to celebrate, and to critique. Because the future of the car industry is not just about the cars we drive, but also about the world we want to live in. In the fast-paced world of the car industry, only one thing is certain: change. And in this change lies the thrill of the ride.